Let's study all the Korean sentences structure. And let's check the first sentence. I go. I is a subject and go is a vowel, right? And that's the Korean sentence structure. I is this one. Please read. Na, and then please read this one. This is a go, to go. 간다 is to go. And the Korean sentence structure is also subject and verb. But the important thing is the after subject or after object, always we need a particle. So after na, you need a particle. 는, this is a particle. So 나는 간다. 나는 간다. About the particle, I will teach you later, but now let's focus on the sentence structure. So subject and verb. Important thing is all the Korean sentences, verb goes to the end. Verb and. Yes. And the next sentence, this is a subject and verb and complement C. And in Korean, I, yes, 나. And the verb, I told you, it goes to the end. 이다. Is MR, we say 이다. And the teacher is, I will write down and I want you to read so that you can practice pronunciation as well. Please read. 선생님. 나 선생님이다. And also you need a subject particle, right? After 나, you need a 는. 나는 선생님이다. And 나 is subject, and 선생님 is complement, and 이다 is a verb. So also the verb goes to end. And third one, I love you. And I subject, and love verb, and you is object. And let's check. 나, yes. And I told you verb goes to the end. Love is 사랑한다. Maybe you've heard 사랑해 before. I don't know. Maybe. And 사랑한다 is the verb. And you is 너. So I, subject, object, and verb. And as I told you, particle after subject, we put 는. After object, also you need a particle. So all the nouns, you have to put the particle. Whenever I have a lesson, sometimes students forget. So always I say particle, particle. Yes, because in English, there's no particle, but Korean, all the nouns, you have to put the particle. So 너, and then you have to put the object particle, and you're going to learn later. So 나는 너를 사랑한다. I love you. And the third one is subject, and go verb, and to school, place, and at 8 a.m. time. In Korean is I. Now you know, 나. And the verb goes to the end, so 간다, go. And after that, the school, if you want to emphasize school, you can put school first. Oh, I want to emphasize time, 8 a.m. Then you can put 8 a.m. first. It's up to you. It really doesn't matter. So I'll put 학교 first. 학교 is school. 8 a.m. is 8시. So 나, after that I will put the subject particle 는. And 학교 is location. And we have a location particle. It's 에. And time particle also is 에. So 나는 subject, 학교의 location, 8시 is a time, and 간다 is a verb. Verb goes to the end. So 나는 학교에 8시에 간다. So that's a full sentence. So here, the most important thing is verb goes to the end. And also I want to explain one thing. because this sentence is I go to school and it's obvious that I'm going to school. So Korean people, we skip 나는 this part. We just say 학교에 8시에 간다. If someone else go, not me, then you have to put the subject. You have to put like she goes to school or someone else goes to school. You have to put. If you don't put, people assume that you go to school. And here as well, I love you. 나는 너를 사랑한다. You can just say like 너를 사랑한다. Then that means I love you. So this is the sentence structure. And after this, we can learn all the basic sentences. Good job.